Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have my Boxycharm for the month of November and we're gonna dive in. We're gonna open this box up and talk about the products. Also, really quick, I am going to be posting a giveaway tonight on my Instagram. It might be a little bit late tonight. I am so excited because I am only 10 subscribers away from hitting 19,000, which is so phenomenal. So thank you so much. If you're already subscribed, I just want to say thank you. I am going to do the giveaway over on Instagram because I know a lot of people are asking why don't I ever do Instagram giveaways. I always do them on YouTube, but we're going to head over there and I'm going to give two winners a little prize bundle, which includes the palette that I have on my eyes today. This is the Natasha Denona Cranberry palette. I absolutely love it, and it is very on theme for like Thanksgiving. So I do have a holiday lip set from Wet n Wild. I have the Cranberry palette, and then I also have a pumpkin face mask and body butter from Sephora that I have been loving. That body butter is living in my purse right now. I am putting it on constantly. It smells amazing, feels amazing. I'll put my Instagram handle right here so that you guys can go enter the giveaway, and without further ado, let's get into the box. Alright, so I know I'm going to have a lot of unboxing videos. I am going to start to try to keep them a little bit shorter, which is why I have on a full face of makeup. I'm not going to try anything on. I may swatch some stuff, but I want to keep it kind of short and sweet for you guys because there are so many boxes. Literally so many different versions of Ipsy and Boxycharm that my head is just spinning right now. But right on top we have the card. It is Boxycharm Stellar is the theme this month. I have already unboxed my Boxycharm Premium as well, so I will have that linked for you guys if you want to check that one out. This is just the regular box, so $25 a month, and let's get into it. So something interesting that they're doing is they're going to be including little blister packets in your box. This is so you can match yourself. Now, I will be lucky if this shade, Little White Lies from Pretty Vulgar, is a good match for me. It's on the fair end. I am kind of interested to see if I can use the darker shades to contour with, so I will try out these samples, obviously. So once I'm done with this video, I'm going to go onto the website and tell them which shade was the best fit for me. Spoiler alert, it's the lightest. Right, so right on top, we have something from Pop Mask. This is Starry Eyes, the world's kindest eye mask, indulgent self-warming eye mask. Okay, very interesting. So we have two of these guys, two little separate things, and it looks like it covers like your entire eye area. Let's see. Pull open the loops and place them around your ears. It will start to warm up and relax you. Lie back, doze, sleep, daydream, meditate, or just have some me time to be kind to yourself. It says the warmth will last up to 20 minutes, and it says, warning, may cause complete relaxation, may ease migraines, and may cause a feeling of refreshness when waking. Do not operate anything whilst wearing. Okay, so these seem really interesting. I don't really know, apart from the relaxing effect of these, I don't know what warming your eye area would do for you. I mean, granted, I'm really curious. I want to try them out. So the set of two goes for $10. Next we have a Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick. I have the shade Date Night. These go for $18. I do really like this formula. I have a few shades, but most of the shades I have are like very pinky nude. So I have something different. Ooh, it looks pretty. So it looks like Date Night is going to be a really pretty red. Let's give that a swatch. Ooh, yes, that's like classic red. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there on my hand. And again, this is Date Night from Dose of Colors. I'm not mad at that. I feel like a lot of subscription boxes are doing, you know, close to the end of the year when you're in the holidays, they always want to give you like reds and berries. I'm not mad at it though. I don't typically buy a lot of them because I do receive them like this, but I already love Dose of Colors formula so much, so I'm really happy to have that one. Next we have something from Farsali. This is the Rose Gold Skin Mist. It is 24 karat gold infused. You're probably well familiar with Farsali. They are known for their drops. They got really popular off of their like rose gold drops. Personally, like, to me, you can literally have them for like 3 weeks and they start to smell really funny, and I just can't do it. I don't know. But this one to me smells nice. A lot of people love the scent of this, but it does have a really nice fresh scent to it, and a lot of people at work really love this one. I've only tried it in store once I've already been wearing makeup for hours, but I am excited to try it some more and see how it does to actually set my makeup initially. The funny thing is, I actually just received this in gratis from work, so I'm going to put this one in a giveaway. It won't go in the giveaway that I'm doing tonight. I am saving up things for my big 20,000 giveaway, so this will be in that. So make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on if you want to be aware when that goes live. And the Farsali Mist goes for $39. It's a pretty little pricey setting spray, so I hope it's good. All right, now we have something from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. This is a giant box for an eye treatment, but let's check it out. Looks like this. I wonder if it has like a dropper. Oh no, it's actually got a little smooth applicator tip. I feel like though, I don't know about the shape of this. I like applicator tips like this when they are more metallic. I feel like it's very cooling. That feels okay. It doesn't feel like it's gonna like feel amazing under the eyes. Ooh. The treatment itself, it feels pretty thin, but it feels nice. It feels very smooth. So I don't know if this will take the place of an eye cream. It is called an anti-wrinkle eye treatment. So I'm assuming if you needed more moisture, which I think that I will because it really sank into the skin, but during the daytime I might be able to use this alone and just use my regular moisturizer, but at night I would definitely layer this up because it literally went in my hand like so quick. So this goes for $50. It's a pretty pricey item to have in the box, and of course double the price that you paid for the box, so not a bad item to get at all. All right, we are down to the last item. This is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. So I have actually not tried any eyeshadow palettes from Dominique Cosmetics. I have tried the gloss, which I also received in a box. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. So here is the palette. I love those tones, look very rich. It's like a different take on a fall palette as well because you do have some warms, but then you have like, ooh, this aqua and these, ooh, yes. And I love that we have 5 mattes is what it looks like, and then you have 3. That one looks a little glittery. This one may be more metallic. Black matter looks really nice. Whew. Okay. So let's see, this one goes for $35. That seems really reasonable. I mean, there are only 8 shades, but they are really big pans. I've heard a lot of people say the quality of her palettes are amazing. For me, I'm just trying to be really picky when it comes to palettes because I have too many. Like, it's very wasteful for me, so I'm trying to be a little bit more particular about what I purchase, not only because I spend a lot of money on it, but also because they sit there, they don't get used. So I have lately been giving away palettes that I've gotten, but I think I'm gonna have to hold on to this one because it looks gorgeous. So let's do some swatches. Very creamy. Wow. Brown. I'm gonna swatch the bottom row of mattes because you guys know I'm crazy about some mattes. Look at that. Going into that top row now. Ooh, that gray looks really nice. Okay, so here is the entire palette swatched. It looks so stunning. I can't wait to use this. Wow, that is really, really pretty. I already felt like it was going to be good quality, but I cannot wait to put this on, and I'm really happy that I got this in the box. And I feel like this is a new item too. I mean, I already fell in love with the gloss that I tried, but this looks so beautiful. If you're like me, you probably have some of these colors in your collection, but the overall assortment I think is really unique. Like, to put all of these colors together, I think is really nice. And I love that there are 5 mattes and only 3 non-mattes, which for me, I like that ratio a little bit better. That is, okay, that's just really good. I'm excited about that. And again, $35, if the quality is indicative of the swatches, I'm so excited. So this is probably the item that I am definitely most excited for. I have to say, I saw this as a possible like spoiler, I don't remember when, and I was like, oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'm really happy we got this. So this is definitely my favorite item in the box. I do also like the Farsali Mist, even though I'm going to put it in a giveaway. I think it's a really nice item to receive. I like seeing Farsali, the brand, in a box, and hopefully the spray is as good as everyone claims it to be. The Dose of Colors looks like a beautiful, beautiful red. I cannot wait to get into this. The Juice Beauty $50 eye cream, I think that's a pretty good thing to receive, and I've had good luck with Juice Beauty in the past. It's a really good brand in my opinion, and they are Leaping Bunny certified too, which is something I'm paying more and more attention to, as I think we all should, as we, you know, support the movement of cruelty-free makeup. So I love that fact. And then, you know, this is probably like the thing that's like an oddball to me. It's just something different, but who knows, I may fall in love with this. So this is honestly probably the most excited I've been about my Boxycharm in quite some time, like even more so than the premium. And I didn't hate it by any means, but this is just like, I don't know, it's just really good. I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing, and I think I kept it on the shorter side. We're gonna see, hopefully. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to go on my Instagram and check out that giveaway. It will actually be with a picture of me looking like this. So if it's not up by the time you guys see this video, check the very next day, because I don't know, it is getting late. Okay, so thank you again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.
It's kind of weird for me though, because I feel like this smells like a specific, this is going to sound so stupid, a specific clean bathroom, like that I've been in. I don't know where, but it has like this really clean, fresh scent. That's going to sound super weird. Cut. Don't put that in there. Don't put yourself in there saying this.